In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a header to a page in Confluence. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, professional-looking header image to any page, whether you're building documentation, a project hub, or a team overview. First, start by opening the Confluence space where your page lives and select the page you want to update. Make sure you're on the correct page before you make any changes, especially if you're working in a shared workspace. If needed, switch into edit mode so you can modify the content of the page. Once your page is open, move your cursor toward the top of the page where the title is. In this area, you'll see the option to add or change a header image. It may appear as a button or as a small image placeholder above the page title. Click on the header image area. This action will open a header image panel, which is where you'll manage the visual that appears across the top of your page. In the header image panel, you'll see an option to upload an image. Click on the upload button. This allows you to choose an image file directly from your computer. When selecting a file, try to pick a wide landscape style image so it stretches nicely across the header. A simple pattern, a branded banner, or a clean photo often works best. Avoid images with small text, because it can be hard to read once it's used as a header. If you don't have your own image ready, you can instead choose from the images displayed below in the same panel. Confluence usually offers a set of default or suggested images that are already optimized for headers. Scroll through the available options and click on the one that best fits the purpose of your page. This is a fast way to get a professional result without needing any design work. After you've either uploaded your own image or selected one from the available choices, take a moment to preview how it looks across the top of the page. If everything looks good, click on the Apply button. This confirms your selection and sets the image as the page header. Once applied, your header image